Hello, welcome to Poor J channel. Today we're going to do the skeleton. So I got in forceps, the organ, how to play this, so I now play, and the stories from the box at the back of the box. So we're going to get started. So I'm just going to lay down and try to open it. An arm. Or wait, a hand. There. An arm. So we have an organizer to check all our parts. It all fell off. My hand. Leg, foot, not the face. So we have an arm, the intestines, kidneys. What did you say on? Yeah, it didn't stay on. The stomach. Oh, wait, that's a brain. Stomach. Oh, I just put it there. Never mind. Liver. Diaphragm. I didn't know we have diaphragms in our body, so wait. The first time I ever know. The heart. Esophagus, lungs, brain. Now we're going to check the brain. Oh, the brain. The brain is so. And the skull. Skull cap, skull. I'm just gonna put the skull like this. Shoulder blade. Oh wait, we need some shoulder blades. This shoulder blades and rib cage. Humerus, res and ulna, femur. And your foot. Let's see this way. Now, wait, I've got leg muscle. Now we're going to put together this clear human. So we're going to put some shoulder blades because we're going to make this clear human. I'm going to start with the back. Is the shoulder blade. Shoulder. Go look at these blades. now we are finished. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.